Are y'all seeing this right now? I literally just shot this car with an explosive arrow in the hood, and now it's just standing up. That is amazing. That's just too funny. I can't believe I did that. Land shark. A land shark. I don't think if it's standing up on top of that car, I don't know. I can push it. I'm actually gonna leave it alone. I'm going to repair it, see what it does. Well, it's repaired. Not really sure what it did. I don't know. Oh well. Let me know if y'all want to see more. Fire arrow to the sky for Zach. Should probably run now. Yep. That's just too funny. Alright. Oh my god! Holy! Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, I'm gonna see if I can do it again. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. If I can't, I'm gonna stop this video. Oh! 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 So close. Is that a land shark? It is a land shark. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's so many. So many land sharks. So many. I've been killing these all day. Crap, that sucked. Sucked. Got him. Alright. Bye-bye. Woo! That was funny.